Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today the stock I'm going to be talking about is BIGG Digital. This is a cryptocurrency related stock and I think it has a lot of potential as there's much more focus on Bitcoin. If you enjoy the content of this video, please hit the thumbs up button as it really helps out the channel. I appreciate it. Also, if you would like to sign up for Patreon, there is a link below for that will provide access to a Discord chat where you are able to ask me questions, and then I will be posting my buys and sells. Also, if you would like to buy cryptocurrencies, there is a link below for Binance. That is the platform that I use to trade cryptocurrencies. They have a lot of smaller altcoins on there that are not on other platforms. So if you're interested in that, check that out as well. And so let's get into it. The stock I'm going to be talking about here is BIGG Digital, as I talked about. It does trade over the counter, and the ticker symbol on that is BBKCF. And so as you can see today, it was trading at $1.44 at market close, and it was down 3% for the day. And so I do see this possibly going up in the short term here. However, with Jerome Powell talking tomorrow, the markets may be down, and so that is going to be a good buying opportunity. If the market is down, I do not have a position here yet, as I am waiting to see what the markets do tomorrow. If it does drop significantly, I will be buying here for a position going forward, since I think there's a lot of potential. I would like to take a look at this. This is their one pager here, and as I mentioned, this does trade under BBKCF on over the counter. If you are trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange, it does trade under BIGG. And so BIGG Digital Assets owns, operates, and invests in crypto businesses that support and enhance a compliant and regulated ecosystem. And so they do have two different sides of the company. They own Netcoins, and then they also have Blockchain Intelligence Group. And so Netcoins is their online cryptocurrency brokerage, and it is Canada's easiest, most trusted way to buy and sell crypto. And so you can see they have about 7 coins currently listed, and they are planning on adding more. And so Blockchain Intelligence Group as well, this focuses on the security and accountability to the new era of cryptocurrency with big data, AML, compliance, search, forensics, and training. And so they have many different customers here. It does list a few of them, and I will go more in depth into these, showing all of their customers they have for their training. And so they also have some big notes here as well. They have a $715,000 contract with the U.S. federal government agency, a $335,000 contract with the European wallet provider, and a $389,000 contract with the U.S. federal government agency. And so these are a lot of things that are buying into them, and so this is very promising that they are buying into this company for them to track cryptocurrencies going forward. So I'd also like to take a look at the revenue here. This company has grown substantially over the past 3 months. You can see the revenue in Q4 was just under $1 million, and now they are talking of a projected revenue in Q1 of $3.5 million. And so that is almost a 3.5 times growth over 3 months. And so they are growing substantially, especially as Bitcoin becomes more popular. And so I'd like to take a look at this presentation here. This does cover some points a little bit more in depth. And so I'd like to go through that as well. And so here you can see it is broken up into 2 different departments, as I mentioned before, under BIGG and Netcoins. And so I'd like to focus on the Blockchain Intelligence Group first. And so their mission statement here is to bring security and accountability to cryptocurrency. And so they want to work with the regulatory firms to provide a lot of backing on cryptocurrency, and just so it's not some other thing out there, it has regulatory backing and then could potentially become a crypto or a currency in the future. And so they have these 2 different companies they are using, or subsidiaries of what they have. And so the first one is Clue, and then they have BitRank verified as well. And so Clue focuses on detecting suspicious cryptocurrency activity. So this tracks all the different transactions. It shows where the cryptocurrency is being transferred to, who it's being transferred to. So this is a way for them to track cryptocurrencies. And so this tracks, traces, and monitors those transactions. And they also have BitRank verified. And so I think this is very important as well. And so as the cryptocurrencies are being sent around, it will state the value of the risk for that transaction, whether it's high risk or fair, or if there sees any issues with it. And so this can be used for financial institutions, Bitcoin ATM operators, audits, funds, retailers, person to person. And so then you know where you're sending your money if it is high risk or not. And so I think that's something that's going to be important going forward, especially from a regulatory aspect. And so they also do sell crypto training to make people aware of crypto, exactly what it is and how it operates. And so they do sell this for $1,000 a course, and so this is another way for them to generate revenue. So as you can see, these are customers that have taken the course, the Securities and Exchange Commission. They have also JP Morgan Chase on here, Citibank, Bitfinex, and so you can see they have a lot of different customers in the training area. And so I'd like to focus on Netcoins here quick. And so their vision is to be the Canadian leader in making the purchase and sale of cryptocurrency easily accessible to the mass consumer and investor through compliant and regulated brokerage services. And so here's an image of their platform. This does remind me of Coinbase a bit. This is very simple to use. It is a very clean platform. I did check it out quick, and it seems like this is very good, especially from a compliance standpoint. So I think it's better to start out very simple. They don't have a ton of cryptocurrencies on there. However, once they are compliant and meet regulatory demands, then they can start adding more cryptocurrencies. And so I think it's a good place to start out at. And they are working with regulators, and so Netcoin aims to lead the regulated crypto trading space in Canada going forward. And so this is a good point. As they are working towards regulation, it is a big catalyst. It provides a lot of publicity to the company and is free marketing. And so if they do get approved, they are going to have a significant volume rise and revenue rise, leading to the price rising as well of the stock. And so, like I mentioned before, they are hoping to be approved at the end of March. And so that is coming up here very shortly. And so if they do get approved, I see the stock price going up substantially. And so I would like to take a look at this article here. This is stating that they are growing very quickly. They have a revenue growth of 54% month over month in February. And so in February, they have a revenue of $1.25 million. And they are growing quickly. Their active users have grown by 41% month over month. And so they are growing quickly, as you can see here. I think if Bitcoin continues to go up, they're only going to grow faster. If they get the regulatory approval, they're going to grow even quicker, as there'll be more people buying cryptocurrencies as well. And so as I mentioned, I do not have a position in this company yet. However, I am looking to buy into this company going forward. And so if you are interested in this stock, I advise that you please do your own research, since I am not a financial advisor. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.